So in this video, I'm going to show you 31 video ideas that can potentially blow up your channel. So let's get started. So hi and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, let me tell you, I make videos to help new YouTubers grow their YouTube channel. So if you are a YouTuber or want to become one, please subscribe to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button and press that bell icon. So now let's dive into the video. So what I've done is I have listed 31 video ideas that according to me are going to blow up your channel or have the potential to blow up your channel. So let's start with the first video idea. So the first video idea on the list is telling gist of books. So if you are a reader or you love reading or you have read a lot of books, then what you can do, you can pick a specific book and give the gist of that book within 10 to 15 minutes. And nowadays people don't want to read a whole book, they're just finding a way to absorb the gist of the book. So this kind of channels can really blow up as people are getting into more kind of audiobooks and gist these days. So the next video ideas on the list is book suggestions. So if you are not that much into reading but you have a good amount of knowledge in books, then what you can do refer different kinds of books for different genres. So the next video idea on the list would be sharing your morning routine. So what you can do, you can provide them a way to make their morning as productive as possible. So the next on the list is a really trendy one. So this one is your partner choosing your outfit. So suppose you go to a mall with your partner and let them choose their outfit and do a kind of vlog, and these kind of videos are getting really good views. So next on the list would be home workout. Due to this pandemic, most of us are forced to stay at home. So out of those fitness freaks who want to stay fit, for them you can provide home workout series. Next would be gardening guide. So most of the people are trying to find a hobby in this pandemic, and unsurprisingly most of them have chosen gardening. So what you can do is you can show them different tips. Next would be fixing home appliance. So most of the people in this lockdown are trying to fix different things and trying to do different things within their homes. So suppose if someone has a broken knob on the door, you can show them how to fix that. So this kind of videos will be a really good one, and I have seen several channels blow up with these kind of videos. The next is a evergreen video that's hot on my phone. I don't know why this kind of videos get that much view, but it does get a pretty good amount of view. So what you can do, you can show what's on your phone, what kind of apps you use, and what are the tools that you use to do different things that you do. So you can basically show people what's on your phone or all the apps that you use. The next idea would be how I shoot my videos. So if you are a YouTuber, which I suppose you are, as you are watching this video, so what you can do, you can show people how you shoot your video. Suppose you are shooting with a DSLR, so you can show them how you shoot your video, what kind of mic you are using, so all that. Or if you are shooting in a mobile phone like me, then also you can show how you are shooting. Next would be how I edit my videos. So for beginner YouTubers, editing is a big hectic task. So what you can do, you can show them a really easy or pretty simple way to edit their videos. Next idea would be giving your audience a set of tools. Suppose you are shooting videos within your home or in your studio, then what you can do, you can show them around how you shoot, what your setup looks like. I have seen this kind of videos get a lot of views. Next idea would be one day in the life of a YouTuber. So this kind of videos basically gives the audience insight in your own personal life. The next video is a really interesting one. It's be your own boss motivation. So what you can do, you can motivate people who are trying to become their own boss by quitting their job or trying something as part-time, but eventually they want to quit their job and be their own boss. You can motivate them by providing different kinds of motivation. The next idea would be looking good on video. So most of us video content creators knows it very well that looking good in video is a really important step. So what you can do, you can show them your tips, how you look good on your videos, and that if you apply any makeup, you can show them that. So this kind of videos can really perform well as the video content creating is on the rise. Next would be, after looking good, you want to be confident in front of camera. Most of us who are starting YouTube will feel awkward to speak in front of camera. What you can do, you can show them ways to improve their camera presence. Next one is really trendy, that is mobile videography. Most of us who cannot afford a DSLR or a mirrorless camera are shooting on their mobile. So you can show them how to professionally shoot videos with their mobile. Next would be camera buying guide. So the YouTubers who just got started and made a few couple of videos and they are now ready to upgrade from mobile phone to camera, you can show them a guide on what camera to choose, what are the parameters to consider, and you can suggest them different cameras according to their price ranges. So next video idea is PC build guides. So what you can do, people are searching for different specifications and different rigs to assemble their PC. So if you are a techie who knows how to assemble PC, you can show them what components they can use under a specific budget. So suppose someone wants to build a PC under $500 for gaming, so you can show them different configuration that they can use. So the next one would be top 5 gadgets under a specific price. So suppose you want to show people what are your recommended top 5 earphones under $10, you can do this kind of videos. The next one would be podcast suggestions. As people are moving more towards podcasts and audiobooks, what you can do, you can show them sources to listen to good audiobooks or artists to follow for good podcasts. The next would be minimalist dressing. As more and more people are moving towards minimalism, you can show them how they can be minimal while dressing. So you can show them outfit ideas of a minimalist. The next would be digital minimalism. Talking about minimalism, we must digital minimalism. And digital minimalism basically means decluttering your phone of all the unnecessary apps or all the wastage of time on social media. So you can show them how to do that on this kind of videos. Next would be organizing your PCs or Mac. So most of us have this unorganized desktop on our PCs or Macs, so we can show them how to put files in a hierarchy so that they can find it really easy to find files and it looks organized. The next would be productivity apps review. So you can show them different apps to use to increase their productivity. Next would be DSLR photography guide. As most of the people are inclining towards photography, so you can show them how to get started with DSLR or different tips to get started with DSLR. Next would be sports analysis. So if you are a sports person or you are good into a specific sports or you follow a specific club, then what you can do, you can analyze the sports, their games, their lineups, and make videos. Next would be photo editing tutorial. So most of the content creators who are creating content will essentially have to learn photo editing, so you can show them different apps to edit photos easily. Next would be obviously video editing tutorial. So you can show them how you edit your videos or different kinds of video editing softwares or how they can easily create video content. Next would be teaching an instrument. So if you are good at playing some kind of instruments, be it guitar, piano, or any kind of keyboards, you can teach people how to learn that kind of instrument. And these days people are trying to learn at least one instrument, so you can get a good amount of views with this kind of videos. Affiliate marketing guide. So most of us who are content creator already know what affiliate marketing is. For those who does not know, let me tell you, affiliate marketing is promoting some other website's product via your link. So suppose you are posting a link in your blog and someone goes through that link, then you will get some commission. So you can create a series of affiliate marketing, how to do it, or what are the ways to do affiliate marketing, what are the affiliate programs they can join. So these kind of videos can perform really well as people are getting into affiliate marketing. Digital marketing guide. So if you are a content creator, you might have heard of this term digital marketing. So what you can do, you can teach people what digital marketing is or how to get into digital marketing or how can one be successful in digital marketing. So these are my 31 ideas that can potentially blow up your channel. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'm sure you will also like this video. So go check it out right here. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.